MSG format is compatible with different email programs like Microsoft Outlook and MS Exchange. Do you want to know how to open MSG files without Outlook? Let's check out the solution. SysTools MSG Viewer Pro tool. Let's go through the advantages of using the software. Tool performs an in-depth analysis of emails with attachments. The data integrity and folder structure is well maintained. Exports MSG file to a secured file format like PDF. And there is advanced search feature by specific keywords or phrase. The tool helps forensic investigators to print or save MSG files as PDF for presenting as an evidence in court. And if there is no MSG-supported applications installed on your system, then it is best advised to adopt a trusted third-party solution. SysTools MSG Viewer Pro tool lets you open MSG files without Outlook in a trouble-free way. You can check out the product page from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching.